And just a quick update on where we're at on the bathroom remodel. No, I haven't been working on it very much. I've been doing a lot of stuff outside in springtime with the yard and the farm. Got the chickens and the pigs and the garden and everything, but you can see I've got my where I'm going to put my wall framed in up at the top. I've got the framing for the tub put in over here. Got the holes drilled underneath. Got the tub set in place, make sure it's going to work. I already got the plumbing for it. Got this over here set up for where the toilet's going to go. You can sit on my throne, look out my window. Might seem weird to some of you, but I don't know. It's the idea, sitting right here and looking out there. Kind of a nice view. One I'd like to have. Got me the toilet there. The big one. The claim can flush all kinds of stuff, so we'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. Got the holes drilled and some of the wires run for the lights. Need to figure out where I'm going to put the fart fan, run it in there. Some of this stuff took me a while because, man, retrofitting in this room, considering how old, out of square, and just oddly built this is, it's been quite the challenge. But I think now with summer's heat, I'm going to be getting back on getting this room done. I'd really like to at least have a second toilet in this house. It would come in awful handy. So, thanks for watching. There will be more remodeling updates coming soon because I need to get on this. Thanks for watching.